Question 11 is a good question. It's combined two concepts together. First is talk about it is spherically emitting radiation. So the source is here. It emits the radiation out spherically. So the area spread out by 1 over by r square. So the same energy. So the intensity equals power over area. It drops by 1 over r square. So when it goes out to different position, the far away, the weaker the intensity. It said that move a distance 2d from the sources. And then on the other hand, but it's talking about the amplitude. So you have to remember intensity also proportional to amplitude square. So combining these together, amplitude square, 1 over r square, so you got it, okay. Combine them together, so you can say the amplitude is proportional to 1 over r square, so cancel out the square. So the amplitude is proportional to 1 over r. So when the distance change from d to 2d, r doubles. So what will happen to the amplitude? Yes, you got it. The amplitude will drop from a to from ax to x over 2. Well done. You got the answer. See you.